Oh man, not again! If your towel bars are failing and falling out of the wall, this is the #1 problem. No matter what type of hollow core anchor or wall plug, if it goes into the hollow drywall, at some point that vibration and daily movement will fail. I'm going to show you a quick and easy solution. Enter the toggle bolt. Has never let me down. This can hold even hundreds of pounds. These uniquely designed fasteners will go into the wall, open up, and then bite tight to both sides. Look at this quick video I have to show you how it bites securely to both sides of the wall, locking your brackets in as a permanent repair. So what I'm doing here is removing the old fastener that failed because I need that mounting bracket back to put the towel bar back securely. Okay, now you don't need the screw that came with your towel bar. You can get rid of that. You just need the mounting bracket. You're going to use the screw that comes with your toggle bolts. These are inexpensive permanent fasteners. They come in different thicknesses and lengths such as 2" and 3". You're going to go through the mounting plate with your new toggle bolt screw. You're going to screw into the center opening of the toggle bolt. Just hand tight at this point. And make sure you get it in the right orientation. It needs to be able to fold in to the hole and then flop open on the back side of the wall. Push it into your hole. The reason the screws are long because it has to go into the back side of the wall, flop open, and I audibly heard it pop open. You can kind of check your work by lightly tugging on it. And then you're going to go ahead and screw it in place. Now sometimes it'll just kind of sit and spin, so what I'm doing here is pulling lightly so it's on the back of the wall and giving me counter pressure so the screw will turn. This quick and rapid repair will work for towel bars, toilet paper holders, and so much more. Professionals keep metal toggle bolts in all of their toolkits. I've seen TV being mounted, microwave ovens, all sorts of things. Nice and level, tight and secure. Most of these kind of bathroom mounts do have just a tiny little set screw at the bottom. You need a little screwdriver for that. The purpose is to lock the bracket in, but it's disguised, it's kind of hidden. So the mounting set screw will go underneath, pointing down. Nice and secure. I can see it pulled in tight, much better than before. Quick, rapid repair. Metal toggle bolts will hold and be a permanent repair. I don't even care of the brand. As long as they're a metal toggle bolt, they will work well for you. Check my video description for any links for the products that I have down below.